Becoming aware of the subconscious programming responsible for your automatic actions, behaviors, and personality traits allows you to stop feeding it with energy and attention. Reaching this point has put you on a level playing field, and is the first most important step towards change. Think of this as a clean slate now. This is a perfect time for change, where you no longer just wait for success, but become the change you wish to see today. To do this, you must start acting, thinking, and believing that you are already the person that you wish to become. In order to transition into a new self, you must start wiring new circuitry in your brain. Have you ever heard of the saying, "What fires together, wires together"? Essentially, this means the more you install new thoughts or beliefs, the more effective the connections become in your brain. Choose new thoughts you wish to wire. For example, every time you think to yourself, "I am not good enough," tell yourself instead, "I can achieve anything I put my mind to." You might want to start telling yourself that you've already secured your dream job, or that you feel happier or more confident about yourself. The act of firing these thoughts over and over again will pay off as you install new networks in your brain, allowing these behaviors to become automatic. For most people, their current lives are created from the beliefs that they have been taught in the past. Those outer experiences change your inner world. You embrace thoughts and feelings which ultimately became your state of being. With new thoughts and beliefs, you can overcome old paradigms, but you must ensure that your new paradigm holds greater, more positive thoughts. This way you can wire new emotional responses in the present moment into your mind. You will be amazed at what you can achieve when you put your mind to it. Not only this, but it will bring you a better quality of life, where you aren't battling with your old self. Start embracing your potential and have full faith in yourself and your abilities. When you begin to wire new thoughts in the present moment, you will soon override and overwrite your old programming in no time.